Have you ever felt after waking up that you are not feeling energetic, you are not feeling refreshed, rather you feel like getting back into the bed? If yes, then there is a serious problem and this is the video for you to watch. Sleep is a vital but yet often neglected component of every person's health and well-being. When you sleep, you tend to incubate either the positive things or the negative things depending upon the quality of your sleep. In this video, I am going to discuss about 3 things that you must do before you go to sleep to have a quality sleep which will make your next day a more productive day. The first thing that you must do before you go to sleep is to take bath or shower. You will realize that after taking bath, the thoughts that were occupying your mind will just wane away. There is a scientific logic behind that. It is believed that 70% of our body is water. And when we take shower, a certain purification happens that goes beyond the cleaning of the skin and reaches our mind and soul. The second thing that you must do is write down at least one thing that you learned that day that will give you a feeling of satisfaction and you will have a quality sleep. That one thing that you learned that day, it can be a very small thing like learning a word of English from a dictionary, a lesson in a life that you might have learned that day, a change in perception that happened towards something. It might be a fact about a Mount Everest, or maybe you might have watched a 5-minute video on the struggle of famous personalities such as Muhammad Ali. So when you write down that one thing you learned that day, it will give you immense pleasure, it will give you immense satisfaction, and that will surely relax your mind. The third thing that you must do before you go to sleep is read a book. No matter how late it is, the quantity of sleep doesn't matter that much than the quality of the sleep. Just 6 to 10 minutes of reading reduces stress by almost 50%. Books helps you to wind down from the matters concerning you from your day-to-day life. And they always helps you increase your knowledge. Sleeping is like sadhana, guys. Coming awake to an alarm bell with a sudden start to the day, I would not suggest that that is the best way to start the day. Rather, try to make a schedule so that you become habitual to that. You need not use alarm bells to wake up. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.